ACER email 5VK. 13 great reasons to go ACER email. One, 5 horsepower Baldor Super E high efficient motor with NT40 100mm large diameter spindle for high torque output. Cat 40 tool can be used with simple modification on spindle. 2. 5 horsepower Toshiba S11 vector type AC frequency drive. Can run single and 3-phase power. It won't lose torque when run on single-phase power. It also adapts to wide voltage range from 185 to 250 volt and 390 to 510 volt. 3. Infinite 0 to 3750 RPM. Constant spindle speed. Can change speed range within 4 seconds. 4. No frequent breakdown and mechanical wear out due to fewer component design. We eliminated 54 parts from the old Bridgeport type head design. 5. Electronic and mechanical brake for fast spindle stop. 6. The ACER email provides electronic stop for boring and taping application. 7. Exceptionally high stiffness behind eye casting is treated with annealing process to eliminate internal stress. X, Y, Z axis and table surfaces and guideline surfaces, including dovetail way, are induction hardened to reach Rockwell C52. We are using a testing file Rockwell C40. It is showing that it does not scratch the surface. 8. Precision grinding on XYZ way and on both top and bottom of the hardened Rockwell C52 table to reach 8/10 flatness over table length. We are using 1 thou dial indicator to test accuracy. Nine. Top and bottom saddle way are laminated with tersite B and hand scraped to maximize contact surfaces. 10. The ground finish lead screw guarantee 15 thou per 12 inches with double nut design. It ensures smooth movement to keep backlash within 5 thou. 11. Each spindle is double lock design and equipped with 25 degrees angular contact bearing for heavy cut design. Sealed with quality Kluber LDS 18 bearing grease to minimize thermal expansion for longer service life. 12. US made Allen Bradley switch and push button are proven electrical components built for long life usage. 13. ACER applies automotive padding and paint on its email. It is not easy to chip, and it is easy to clean even after 5 years. The ACER email was built with a trouble-free concept in mind. There are thousands of emails in operation day in and day out. It has been proven to become the best mail in our industry. We hope your next mail will be the email, your trouble-free mail.